On the Guru Purnima day, all spiritual aspirants and devotees worship their gurus whom they got Diksha. The spiritual gurus are revered on this day by remembering their lives and teachings. They also conduct pujas and pujas in the name of Vyasa in honor of his divine personage. Traditionally, spiritual seekers commence their spiritual sadhana from this day. They believe that the Guru is the only guarantee for the individual to transcend the bondage of sorrow and death and experience the consciousness of the reality. The relationship between the Guru and the disciple is considered very sacred and is purely spiritual in nature, based on Gyan, spiritual knowledge, and sadhana, spiritual practice. A guide is needed in one's spiritual journey, and he or she needs to be an authority in a particular field. A person who is an authority in the field of spirituality is known as a guru. He is someone who has already walked the spiritual route under the guidance of his spiritual guide and has access to the universal mind and intellect. The Guru guides his disciples according to their spiritual level and the capacity to imbibe knowledge and helping to develop skills such as perseverance, dedication, tenacity, compassion, etc. All these skills are instinct to intrinsic to being a good seeker and vital to sustaining our spiritual journey.
In Indian traditions, Guru is more than a teacher. In Sanskrit, Guru means one who dispels the darkness and takes towards the light.
Guru is a Sanskrit term for a teacher, guide, expert, or master for a certain knowledge or field.
Guru is a Sanskrit term for a teacher, guide, expert, or master of certain knowledge or field.
Guru is your GPS in your spiritual journey. He will never allow you to get loose, but he will help you to reach your destination safely and smoothly.
An exemplar in a life and inspirational source and who helps in the spiritual evolutions of the students.
With the Guru serving as a counselor to help more values, shares experiential knowledge as much as literal knowledge.
Guru is not a body. Guru is light. Guru is a wisdom, and light and wisdom are essential in human life.
My life has become magical now because of the presence of a Guru in my life.
Traditionally, Guru is a reverential figure to the student.
Guru. Guru will give you intuition's power to decide what is good and what is bad in your life.
Will help us self-control over our mind and will also help us direct ourselves in right direction.
Guru is not the body. Guru is the light. Guru is the wisdom. And wisdom and light is essential in human life.
Serving as a counselor who helps to mold values, shares experiential knowledge as much as literal knowledge.
When something there is mind cannot handle, the Guru come into mind.
A Guru is also one spiritual guide who helps one to discover the sin that the Guru has already realized.
He has shown me a solution to end all my sufferings.
When one's life and wisdom are inspirable, then you call them Sadguru or Guru.
Guru has given me a secret key to interior happiness which will last forever.
A guru is also one spiritual guide who help one to discover the same that the guru has already realized.
An exemplar in life, an inspirational source, and who helps in the spiritual evolution of a student.
Traditionally, Guru is an evidential figure to the student.
Guru is not the body. Guru is the light. Guru is the wisdom. And wisdom and light is essential in human life.
Guru Purnima is a day of feeling grateful for this source of wisdom that keeps you balanced amidst the troubles of existence and allow you to walk with a confidence and with a vision.
गुरुबद्दल कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करण्याचा हा दिवस. प्रत्येकाच्या आयुष्यात कोणीतरी हा गुरु असतोच. सर्वांच्या आयुष्यातील प्रथम गुरु म्हणजेच आई. कारण सर्वात पहिली संगत आपल्याला आईची लागते. आई आपल्याला चालायला, बोलायला आणि जगायला शिकवते. जगातील प्राथमिक ज्ञान आपण आपल्या प्रथम गुरु म्हणजेच आईकडून घेतो. एवढेच नाही तर आयुष्यातील प्रत्येक टप्प्यावर आई आपली मार्गदर्शक असते. आईप्रमाणेच वडील आणि पुढे अनेक शिक्षक, मित्र, चांगली पुस्तके आपले गुरु असू शकतात. गुरुची महती थोर असते. म्हणूनच लहानपणापासून आचार्य देवो भव ही शिकवण दिली जाते. गुरु अथवा शिक्षक हा देवाप्रमाणे असतो. या शिकवणीमुळेच भारतात गुरुपौर्णिमा आजही मनापासून आणि श्रद्धापूर्वक साजरी केली जाते.